Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
吉安乡是全台第一个试种黄色烟叶的发祥地。目前南华村仍有4、5栋保存完好的大阪式烟楼，定名为烟楼文化馆。烟楼是用来熏烤烟草叶及储存的空间，屋顶上方为了排烟，挑高加以小尖顶，外观上形成2层屋顶，特有风格。泥砖壁里还夹杂稻壳、稻梗，据说如此可以将白天太阳辐射及烟熏的热度加以保存，以节省柴烧费用。早期只要观察该户烟楼的数量，就可推算其富裕程度。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Talk About Hakka here on Icrt. I'm Joseph Lin.
And I'm Nancy Sun.
Hey, Nancy, this whole month we're hanging out in Hualien County.
Oh, beautiful place.
Yes, you've been there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, the reason being is because we're talking about the second wave of immigration of Hakka from the West Coast to the East Coast back in the days. And that is because there was a high demand of workers for agricultural products there, including what really stood out. Leo brought me to Jian Township, where you can see a lot of these yanliu.
Yanliu.
Yeah, tobacco barns.
So I'm guessing a tobacco barn must be a place where you can store tobacco?
Not just store, but to produce them.
Oh.
Because these buildings actually have a lot of window panels on it. And during the day, a lot of sun rays would come in and heat up the inside. Plus, the smoke inside would actually accumulate even more. And so they were able to produce these tobacco leaves day and night.
It's like, it seems like a very environmentally friendly way to do it.
Yeah, kind of like the old days of solar panels.
Right.
Right? Yeah.
Right. That fits in really well with like Hakka respect for nature and conservation.
Absolutely.
But it also reminds me of the way Native Americans used to handle their tobacco. The Native Americans, they would use special tobacco gardens. They wanted to keep the tobacco plants separate from other crops like corn because they felt like the strong smell of the tobacco would make the corn taste bad.
Yeah, you don't want no second smoke there.
Right.
Second-hand smoke there, that is.
Right. So after the plants are ready, then they would cut them down and hang them directly in their huts until they were dried and ready.
Oh, that's
Air-dried.
great. You sound like you know a lot about your tobacco leaves, you know?
Well, actually, I haven't actually seen a real tobacco barn like in real life.
Oh, guess what? You're in luck.
Ooh.
Because I can take you to the Tobacco Barn Museum that is found in Jian Township. And you can learn more about the production of tobacco leaves, the culture, and the history behind it, all right?
Sounds great.
Yeah, well, it's time to learn some of these phrases right here. For instance, the tobacco barn, or yanlou. Yanliu. And finally, we're burning a lot of wood, right, to smoke it. And so, 烧柴怎么说？
小草。
小草. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka on ICRT. I'm Zisei Zhang Luiliao.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.